What is public speaking? Public speaking, also called oration or oratory, is the process of communicating information to a live audience. The type of information communicated is deliberately structured to inform, persuade, and entertain. Many people fear they suffer from public speaking weakness and lack the will to master the skill. Magandang araw po, ma'am. Pwede po ba kayong ma-interview?
Sige, pwede.
Ano po bang pangalan niyo?
Ako si Jonalyn de la Peña, nakatira sa Bonaret, Tarlac.
Ano po bang pinagkakabalahan niyo ngayon sa buhay?
Wala, ako ay nagtatrabaho.
Malaman kung anong course yung tinake mo.
Ang tinake kong course is Bachelor of Elementary Education in St. Paul College, Panito.
May 5 po kasi akong katanungan dito. Pwede ko po bang kayong ma-interview ng saglitan?
Sige.
Unang tanong, how do you prepare for a speech or presentation?
How do I prepare for speech or
Presentation.
presentation? Ako kasi as a student na nagtitake ng education, ng Bachelor of Elementary Education, ang una kong ginagawa is kapag naibigay na sa akin yung topic, pinag-aaralan ko siya ng mabuti hanggang sa dumating yung oras na ako na yung magre-report. And then, kung ako naman yung magtuturo sa OJT, lahat ng lesson na dapat kong i-topic or lahat dapat ng activities na dapat kong pag-aralan, pag-aaralan ko na siya. And then, saka ko siya mas maayos na ituturo sa mga students ko.
Pangalawa, what do you do when you feel nervous? Nervous before speaking?
Ang ginagawa ko lang kapag nag-nervyos ako, pag humaharap ako sa madaming tao, pag alam kong ako na, ang ginagawa ko lang is iniisip ko yung mga dapat kong isipin, dapat kong sabihin, and iniisip ko lang na walang nanonood sa akin para hindi ako ma-distract. Pero nakatumitingin pa din ako sa paligid.
Can you share a time when you spoke in front of a group? How did it go?
Ako, sa kaso ko as a education, ang tinitake, maraming beses akong nagsalita sa harap ng maraming tao. Halimbawa na lang sa school, kapag nasa school, madalas ako nagre-report, madalas kaming nagre-report. And then, sa OJTs, yan, mahigit 2 months, kulang 2 months na nagtagal kami doon sa school. Madalas kami talaga yung nag-handle ng mga students, kaya maraming beses na din.
Pangapat, what tips do you have for becoming a better public speaker?
Siguro ang tips ko lang para maging better public speaker ka. Ako, sa mga kagaya ko na nagtitake dyan ng Bachelor of Elementary Education is gawin nyo lang yung best and pag-aralan yung mabuti, yung mga dapat nyong pag-aralan bago kayo mag-report or bago kayo magturo.
Last question po, why do you think public speaking is important?
Ako, sa akin, nagiging importante ang public speaking dahil sa tingin ko, isa to sa nakakapagpa-boost ng confidence ko lalo na sa crowd, sa maraming tao, and sa tingin ko, isa tong strong foundation para magkaroon ka ng leadership sa puso mo and sa utak mo. Kung vision mo naman talaga na maging leader or sumasali ka sa mga leaders for youth.
So, yun lang po yung mga tanong ko. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
For a speech or presentation.
You need to identify your purpose, know your audience, and define your clear message to the audience.
What do you think when you feel nervous before speaking?
Take deep breath to calm.
Can you share a time when you spoke in front of a group? How did it go?
Be clear and confident.
What tips do you have for becoming a better public speaker?
Need to body language, eye contact, sense of audience engagement, and practice are essential.
Why do you think public speaking is important?
Public speaking is important. It increases your self-confidence, became comfortable speaking. We become comfortable around people.
Thank you po.
Good morning po, sir. Pwede po ba kitang interview?
Sige, sure.
Bali, may 5 po akong katanungan sa inyo.
Sige. Okay.
How do you prefer for a speech or presentation?
Nag-ensayo ka araw-araw, tsaka nagpa-practice para kapag sa presentation na, maging preparado tayo.
Yung pangalawa po, what do you do when you feel nervous before speaking?
Think positive lang, tsaka wag kakabahan. Basta ganun.
Pangatlo po, can you share a time when you spoke in front of a group? How did it go?
Nung high school ako, nag-perform kami sa isang activity. Basta yun.
Pang-apat po, what tips do you have for becoming a better public speaker?
Maging mabuting tao, tsaka practice. Practice lang. Practice tayo.
Pang-5 po, why do you think public speaking is important?
Para malayang na ipapahayag sa publiko. Ayun.
How do you prepare for a speech or presentation?
Nagpa-practice ako ng maraming beses at pinag-aaralan ko ng maigi yung i-present ko para maayos kong mai-present sa aking mga audience.
Number 2. What do you do when you feel nervous before speak?
Inhale, exhale para malesen yung nervous ko, and iniisip ko na kaya ko ito para matapos na.
Number 3. Can you share a time when you spoke in front of group? How did it go?
Nung nagkaroon kami ng group presentation dun sa klase namin, pinag-aralan ko ng maigi yung i-present ko, yung ituturo ko sa mga audience ko para maging smooth yung kalalabasan ng aking presentation.
Number 4. What tips do you have for becoming a better public speaker?
Mag-practice lang na mag-practice at isipin na kaya mo yung gagawin mo at para magkaroon ka rin ng confidence sa sarili mo.
Number 5. Why do you think public speaking is important?
Mahalaga yung public speaking sa atin dahil ito yung nakakapag-boost ng ating confidence, and yun lang.
How do you prepare for a speech or presentation? Well, preparing a speech takes time and effort because number one, you need to know your audience so that you know what words you can use. After that, you have to outline the main points so that they will easily understand what you're talking about. And it is also help them understand your speech. Number 3, usually I ask someone to see my speech if it's appropriate or not before I deliver it to the audience. And after that, I have to practice it so that I know how to stop and how to do the tones of this speech.
Next. What do you do when you feel nervous before speaking?
At first, I think you will really feel nervous because you are actually speaking in public, but you have to fight for it. But basically, on my experience, I have to take a deep breath, and then I always remember why I am in that position so that I can deliver the speech immediately, and then the speech will go through.
Okay. What tips do you have for becoming a better public speaker?
Tips, I think what works for me is that I am confident every time I talk, because number one, you really have to confidently provide a good speech, and then the tone of your voice should also add points on that.
Why do you think public speaking is important?
Well, as for me, I am actually a graduate also of education, so public speaking is one of our skills. But public speaking is actually important because it helps you enhance your communication skills, not just to your student, but also to other person, especially in today's generation. It also boosts your confidence because you will deliver a speech that you know that it will inspire other people.
Can you share a time when you spoke in front of a group? How did it go?
Well, since my current role is a subject matter expert in my chosen career, speaking is a major skill that we should have. There is this time that I need to speak with my agents about something work-related. At first, I didn't know how to do it. I was so nervous, but my role helped me conquer this fear and was able to do it. The meeting went smoothly, and I answered some of questions and was able to share.
What we learned to our interview? For me, natutunan ko is kailangan mo ng courage para humarap sa maraming tao. And kailangan mo rin ng self-confidence para mas maayos yung flow ng mga sasabihin mo sa ibang tao, at para mas makuha mo yung yung loob nila, para mas malaman nila na yung mga sinasabi mo is meron siyang sense, meron siyang patutunguhan, hindi lang siya yung words mo na kailangan lang nilang baliwalain. Kailangan mo rin ng magandang pananalita para mas makuha mo yung trust nila.
Ang natutunan ko sa public speaking ay dapat mag-memorize lang at patuloy mo itong i-practice ng i-practice para sa ganun hindi natin makalimutan, at dapat maging kalmado lang pag nasa harapan na tayo ng mga tao. At lakasan natin ang ating loob upang sa ganun maayos ang ating pananalita.